Hey all, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll give a small demonstration on how to use GitHub Classrooms, especially if you're using GitHub Classrooms as a student. Okay. The first step is to go to the link of the GitHub Classroom, which will be given to you by a faculty coordinator. In this case, we are using Moodle as a LMS, so the link is over here. Click on the GitHub Classroom link. It will ask you to sign in. Just sign in with your GitHub account. It will then ask you to accept the assignment. So you can click on accept this assignment. Once you click on accept, it will create the repository for you. It will take some time to import the starter code. So this is the link of the experiment which has been cloned from the main faculty repository. All right. So if you click over here, this is now your experiment repository. So as you can see, this is the organization and this over here is your private repository. So a student called as Jitin Isaac IEEE has this repository, which is his private repository and only which he can see. Fine. So if you're a student, what you will do is the first step is that you will go to code over here and you will just click on copy. Fine. You will go to a location in your system, maybe at the desktop itself. You will do a right click over here and you will do git bash here. Okay, so we'll open up git over here. So you will do the first code to run over here is git clone and the repository link. So this will create a folder in your desktop, as you can see over here. Once that is done, you can now go inside the folder. So it is CD and the folder name. All right. So this you can see over here, you are in the master branch now. Now you can work on this repository. Maybe I will just delete a few files. I will only have these 3 files to start off with. So once you have done, once you think that you have finished the experiment and now you want to submit these files to your repository, what you will do is that you will go again to GitHub. You will go to Git. You will do a Git status. You will find that all these things have been changed. So these are things that are now staged. So you will do a Git add now. So now you have staged all the files. Then you will do a Git commit -m and the message deleted a few files. That's it. And then you will do a git push origin master. So you're directly pushing the master itself. All right. No creation of branches over here. Directly push the master. That is the easier way out. So only 3 commands over here to be seen. First is git add, then git commit, and then git push. So once you are sure that your repository has been pushed onto GitHub, what you will do is that you will just come over here, you will refresh your page, and you will find that there are only these 3 files. So you're okay with your work. You know that your files have been committed to this private repository, pushed to this private repository. All right. Once you have done this, what you must do is that this is just a workaround. Instead of creating a branch and then pushing the branch and then creating a pull request, the easier way out is just go to issues over here. And you can do a new issue. Open a new issue. You can say version 1 or draft 1 of experiment number 2 submitted. You can just write like this. You can say over here, you can leave a comment, dear sir. You can write whatever information you want to submit to your faculty. So you can say, dear sir, deleted a few files, submitting final copy. Okay, you can say regards and then just finish it off. All right. And then you can do a submit new issue. So you have now submitted a new issue. Fine. So this over here is a repository now. All right. You have an issue which you have submitted and your work is done. Fine. I will just log out from over here. I will show you the faculty view, what the faculty can see now. Okay. The faculty will now log into his GitHub Classroom account. So I am the faculty now. I will just log on to my GitHub Classroom account. I will just click on this GitHub Classroom over here. This is my classroom. Inside the classroom, I have the experiment number 2. Over here, I have these two repositories. So this is the student who has just committed a few, who has done a few commits to this repository. What I can do is, if I just go to repo, I can see his entire repository. Okay, so I can check whatever files he has, and then I will compare whatever work he has done. One important aspect over here of your submitting an issue is that if I just click on review, all right, if I click on review, I will directly be taken to this issue over here. Once I've checked all your files and I find that your work is satisfactory, what I will do is that I will leave a comment over here, good work. Experiment number 2 is closed. Okay. So once I do a close and comment, that means that your experiment is submitted and you have been graded. All right. So this is an easier way of submitting your experiments and for me to review them also. Right. So we'll follow these methods and do all our experiments. Hope this video has been helpful to you, and I request you all to please follow this method for all our experiments in GitHub Classrooms. Thank you.